The time has finally come. I'm wrapping my trailer. The 24-foot enclosed I bought a couple years ago. It's time to get it wrapped. I designed the wrap myself, and I don't design a lot of wraps, but I'm really proud of it. So it's gonna get wrapped with 3M's 175 with a gloss laminate, the 8414 laminate, printed on my HP Latex 570. And we'll be wrapping it this weekend. I've got a lot of stuff to do to get it prepped, but I should be able to do it all in a weekend, maybe a couple more days. We'll see how it looks. Can't wait. Gotta wash this thing before I can wrap it, and it probably hasn't been washed since, I don't know, middle of the summer, maybe January, not January, maybe July is the last time I washed this thing. So it's filthy, but I've got some Dawn Power Wash, and some Simple Green, some other stuff, and I'm just gonna scrub the hell out of this thing so I can get some vinyl on it tomorrow. Well, I know why it's been so long since I've washed this trailer. It sucks to wash. Took just about an hour of scrubbing. It's still not that clean, but obviously it's gonna get wiped down before the wrap gets put on. And after we wrap it, Luke from Obsess is going to ceramic coat the whole trailer. So hopefully it can stay a little bit cleaner throughout the season this summer without having to wash it all the time to keep it looking fresh. But it still cleans up pretty nice. May have underestimated how much work this is gonna be wrapping it this weekend. It's raining right now, but obviously to get to wrapping tomorrow, I needed to get it washed today so it can dry out. So hopefully the rain does not last all night, and I can find the next battle, which is seeing if this thing fits in the garage. But we'll find out tomorrow. Well, it fits inside. Somehow. I didn't think it was gonna happen. We let the air out of the tires, and just barely might be enough room on the backside to wrap it. So let it warm up for a little bit. We got some stuff to put in the inside, and then make this thing look freaking sweet. Got a couple more that we printed last night, ran out of vinyl. Trey brought some down from Columbus. Get that laminated, cut out, and we're in business. Getting most of the trailer disassembled, getting all the reflectors, lights out of the way. Got to run to Lowe's because I don't have safety Torx. I'm gonna pull this off so I can just wrap all the way in here and not have to deal with any white. We'll probably end up taking the whole door off at some point. So I'm gonna start jamming on this soon after we get back from Lowe's, try to get this whole side done first. We got all the panels cut down. I think it's 7 or 8 panels on the passenger side, 6 panels on the driver's side, 2 on the front, 2 on the back. Got them all laid out. Gonna be sick. we got the front wrapped. Worked out good, stuff's lining up, stuff's fitting good. That means we did good for the design and the layout. Now we get to do all the big sides. Getting ready to start with this whole entire side on the passenger side. This is gonna be the harder side because it does have the door panel. We've got the hinge off. I'm getting ready to start with the middle panel. We're gonna do it, it's called a key panel. So I'm gonna install the middle panel. Should be number 1, 2, 3. I've got it marked out with tape 1.5 inches because I have 1.5 inches overlap on each panel. So this will all be done seamlessly using the factory seams of the trailer. So we're gonna get our first panel hung up and start wrapping. But got basically, I'm gonna say half this side done because this part's gonna take a while. That takes some doing. Will take you no time?
Nope. We are definitely not getting this thing ceramic coated today.
No, that's okay.
Or JP.
All right, we're about to start some ceramic coating on this. Hopefully we can keep it clean. Looking tough. So we took the door off to get these hinges off because I want to make sure that I get full coverage vinyl all the way in every piece of that, so you can see none of this white, where you would probably see some white in here and in here. We're going the extra mile, taking everything apart, trying to make this look as good as possible. Got this whole side done with full coverage, right, nice and deep all around that. Most of it put back together. Working on some stuff on the inside. Back is back together. Ceramic coated, shiny. It's a lot for one day. I'll probably wrap the rest of it tomorrow. Maybe, who knows. See how John's doing inside the trailer here. Hanging a tire rack. He's not looking happy.
Nope. Nope.
What's wrong? What do we gotta do?
I don't know. Can't tell you.
Did you break all those?
No, why did I break one of them?
They look broken.
You broke it when you took it down.
Figured out I don't want to get to Polecat and all the tires and wheels are through the back windshield of my Corvette because the tire hanger don't work.
Oh, wow.
I mean, or if you want, you can not work on that tonight and you can hang the shelves and we can just, you know, set up stuff in the front here.
I'm figuring this out.
He's gonna figure it out. Let's see how Alex doing out here.
I'm not really doing that great.
Buddy, this looks good. That looks good. Right here looks nice.
Thank you.
That'll be fine. This is looking good.
This is taking some finagling.
I gotta get the spree in next. Get some lemon on this. Bad unit. Trailer wrap is finished. Didn't take too long. It's a lot of work. A lot of work taking it apart, making sure everything worked great. But I could not be happier. with the outcome of this. Just finished the driver's side on this tight, narrow end of the shop. Not too bad. Putting the last light back in. I need to get some new reflectors to put on the side, but that'll be pretty easy. Also added a bunch, well, all the stuff inside is finished for the most part. Rack on the wall, fuel holders, some new E-track that'll mount the air compressor, generator, E-track on the walls to hold all the tents, cabinets up top to put some small tools in. And then we've got one tire rack back here, which I am gonna put another one on the other side to hold 8 tires and wheels. So nothing needs to really go in the bed of the truck anymore, which is awesome. So we're gonna button it up, get it outside, put the vents back on the top, air the tires up, and that's it.